Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into something a bit different. The HP Envy Move All-in-One 24. This isn't your typical desktop PC. It's designed with portability in mind. Featuring a built-in battery and a unique set of features that make it versatile for various tasks around the home. Let's start with the design. The HP Envy Move sports a sleek, modern look with a soft white finish and a slim profile. What sets it apart are its cleverly integrated features like a handle and flip-out feet, making it easy to move from room to room without compromising on stability. The handle and fabric pouch for the keyboard add to its portability, making it a breeze to carry around the house. Moving on to the display, it's a 23.8-inch QHD IPS touchscreen. The resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels ensures crisp visuals, which is great for both work and entertainment purposes. The touchscreen functionality is responsive, allowing you to navigate windows effortlessly without always relying on a keyboard or mouse. Under the hood, my model comes equipped with an Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB of RAM, and a 512GB SSD. This configuration is robust enough for everyday tasks like web browsing, streaming, and light productivity work. In benchmarks like Geekbench and Cinebench, it performs admirably for its class. Though it's not geared towards heavy gaming or intensive graphic design. One standout feature is the built-in battery, which HP claims can last up to 4 hours of continuous use. In my testing, it held up well, making it suitable for extended viewing sessions or moving the PC between different areas of your home without needing to find a power outlet. Now, let's talk about audio. The Envy Move houses dual 5-watt speakers beneath a fabric-covered grille. While they provide decent sound quality for casual listening, they lack depth and bass, which might disappoint audiophiles. Unfortunately, there's no headphone jack, so Bluetooth headphones or speakers are necessary for private listening. In terms of usability, I appreciate the thoughtful additions like dedicated buttons for volume and display brightness, located conveniently on the side. The inclusion of ports including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI and offers sufficient connectivity options for external devices like gaming consoles or additional monitors. To summarize the pros, the HP Envy Move excels in portability with its battery and ergonomic design. The QHD touchscreen provides excellent clarity, and the overall performance is solid for everyday tasks. On the flip side, it lacks height adjustment for the display, which may affect ergonomic comfort during extended use. Additionally, the audio quality could be better, and the absence of a headphone jack might be inconvenient for some users. Overall, the HP Envy Move All-in-One 24 is a compelling choice. If you're looking for a versatile desktop solution that can double as an entertainment hub around your home, its blend of portability, performance, and display quality makes it suitable for users who prioritize flexibility and ease of use. That wraps up our review of the HP Envy Move All-in-One 24. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.